Jupp Heynckes has confirmed Bayern Munich captain Manuel Neuer is fully fit but will not play in Saturday's DFB-Pokal final against Eintracht Frankfurt. Neuer, out of action since September due to a foot injury, returns to the Bayern squad days after he was named in a provisional Germany group for the World Cup in Russia. But Sven Ulreich has deputised ably for Neuer this season and will keep his place for the weekend's clash. Manu has no complaints at all. He has taken part in a full training session and I am very pleased with how he is, Heynckes told a news conference. He is in fantastic physical shape and he is in the squad, an option, but he will not play from the start. Manu has a presence, an authority in goal. He cannot be compared to anyone. The nation can be reassured, he will be a great option at the World Cup. Heynckes will be replaced by opposite number Niko Kovac after Saturday's match and he expressed his sadness to depart after a successful fourth stint as Bayern boss. "I'm looking forward to it, there will be plenty of emotions," he said. "The stadium in Berlin is like the German Wembley and it's special for me to go with Bayern, with my players. I've rarely had a relationship like this with any team." Meanwhile, Frankfurt coach Kovac wants to go out on a high and defeat his future employers. "The final is a nice farewell gift for my team," he said. "If you have worked successfully for over 2 years and experienced a great time here, you already have sadness about leaving. I hope for a positive experience on Saturday, so that we can all go home with joy."